So, hi, dear Leo. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Leo Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. And this is a reading for those who are in no contact, no communication, and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now if you want to learn from me, if you want to become a tarot card reader, you can purchase my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to learn about self healing with Ho'oponopono and self love, you can purchase my ebook and or masterclass. Again, the links are in the description box for the same. If you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Wow. Okay. Leo, rushing. Okay, honey, let's see. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. So, Leo, someone is telling me that even if they are in love with the idea of being with you again, they feel blocked by this energy of coming back to you. Yeah. So, there is someone around you who is not talking to you anymore. They feel connected to the idea of being with you again, but they feel like it's not possible for whatsoever reason, or you are already with somebody else, you are already in love with somebody else. They are making perceptions and pictures in their life, in their mind, that might not even be true, but they feel like they should just keep moving ahead in their life, even if they are very much attracted to the idea of being with you again right now. If they're not talking about future, they're talking about right now. They're like, okay, the scene here is, Anjali, that even if I feel very much connected to Leo, even if I feel very much attracted to the idea of being with Leo, for whatever reason, I feel like I should keep moving ahead because it is not possible between me and Leo for whatever reason. They might be making scenarios in their mind that might not even be true, but they're giving me this perception that Leo is already connected with somebody else, they're already invested in somebody else. Maybe you are, but for most of them, for most of you, they're just creating scenarios in their mind, and they're kind of giving them the excuses that to keep moving ahead instead of coming back to you. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Sun, the Two of Wands. Okay, they want to wait for the time when they are going to be able to come towards you with some kind of stable offer. When the energies are going to be stable enough to connect with each other, they are definitely going to try to connect with you again in the coming future. Right now, it might be very much possible that they have other option, other person that they're dealing with, and they're trying their best to give a best shot to that situation. If that is not going to work out, they will try to connect with you again. Two of Wands is a very good indication of having two options, two people, two situation, two energies that you guys are dealing with. So they are dealing with something else or someone else also right now, and they're waiting for the time when they will be able to connect with you, when they are going to have that much stability and that much energy of coming back towards you with some kind of stable offer on the table. My favorite word. So even if they're not dealing with anybody else or with anyone else in their life, they are still waiting for the time when they will be able to connect with you with some kind of stable energy in the coming future. Yeah, got cold. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, Leo, if any, by the 17th of November. Ta-da! No action from this person's side. They're too scared. They're too much in their head about things. They're like, even if I'm going to do anything about it, it is going to be a lot of drama, a lot of stress, a lot of conflict, a lot of chaos. Leo is going to straight away reject me, or Leo is going to insult me, or Leo is going to do or say something that I might not like. So what is the use of even going in that direction? So again, this person is creating scenarios in their mind, worst case scenarios in their mind, and they are not taking any kind of action because they're scared, they are frustrated, they are in this energy of stress. They are like, it's not possible between me and Leo, never in this lifetime. So why to even waste a single moment of trying in this direction? So that is their energies towards you regarding the situation. For you, the guidance here is the Page of Cups. Okay, see, honey, if you have to apologize to this person, do that. If you have to forgive this person, do that. But with all of your heart and soul, either apologize to them, ask for forgiveness if you are the one who messed up, and even if they're not asking for forgiveness, forgive them and move on. This is the only solution that can make you feel at peace and at ease in the coming future, and connect with the like right person, right kind of energies. Until unless you're 100% over with past situation, past people, past energies that we are struggling with, we are never able to connect with those people who are meant for us. This is kind of a law kind of a thing. Okay, it's like something, until unless you're going to resolve something in you 1000% clean energy, you will not be able to connect with those people, those energies that are meant for you. Try to understand the point here. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.